Welcome to Scholarship Guidance Center. I am Anil Doshi sir, and today's topic is 5th Scholarship Intelligence Test Unit 2 Classification. In that classification, today we see words, numbers and figures.
Oh,
Select the term which does not match the group. Now first,
ant, cockroach, butterfly, sparrow.
ant.
Sparrow.
One is ant. Because cockroach and butterfly are insects, sparrow is a bird. Hence the answer choice is sparrow, not ant. See, sparrow is your answer because see here again, ant, cockroach, okay, they are insects. Butterfly is, sparrow is bird, okay, and butterfly is also insect. Therefore, first, second and third are cancelled, and fourth one is odd man out, that is which does not match the group. Okay, now second,
Coal, copper, iron, silver. Coal,
no, see here first, copper, iron and silver.
third,
Let us 1 minute, and therefore your answer is coal.
leaf, flower, root, branch. Root,
Why it is root? Because leaf,
Because
flower, branch are above the soil, and root is
root is below the soil.
and therefore your answer is root. Now next one,
Jagan, chagan, magan, sagan.
Hmm.
Chagan.
because
Chagan is the answer.
Chagan is the answer because Chagan is made up of 7 letters. Okay, but Jagan, Magan and Sagan is made of 5 letters. Okay, see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and therefore Chagan is the answer. Now next one,
Watch, see, look, show. Show is the correct answer.
because
So,
watch, see and look have the similar meaning. Watch, see and look have the similar meaning, but word show doesn't indicate that meaning, and therefore answer is show. Then next,
tabla, dholak, sitar, mridangam. Sitar, because it is string instrument.
yes, right. Then next one,
Elephant, hyena, wolf, tiger.
elephant is the odd man out
Elephant,
because hyena, wolf and tiger are carnivorous, but elephant is herbivorous. Okay, now next one,
here, deer, bear, deer. Deer is the correct answer because it is animal.
here, deer, bear are saints and deer is an animal. Okay, then next one,
They, pay, way, may. Pay.
because they, way and may are nouns and pay is word, and therefore pay is your correct answer. Then next one,
Rose, jasmine, guava, lily. Lily.
no, that is answer is guava.
Lily.
Guava is a fruit and rose, jasmine and lily are flowers, and therefore answer is guava. Okay, ear, nose, stomach and eye. In this case,
Stomach.
is
Stomach.
the odd man out. Ear, nose and eye are face organs, but stomach is internal body part. Okay, internal organ. Now next one is spring, lake, stream, river. In this case, your answer is lake because water in the spring, stream and river flows. Here, spring, stream, river flows, but in lake water doesn't flow. Okay. Now next one is cricket, football, hockey, chess. Now see, except chess, all others are outdoor games, but chess is a indoor game, and therefore your answer is chess. Odd man out is chess. Telephone, television, radio, newspaper. Now see, except telephone, this telephone, okay, television, then radio and newspaper are media, and therefore odd man out is telephone. Then next one is cinema, film, movie and play. Now see, cinema, film, movie, okay, play is odd man out. Then next one is violet, grey, green and orange. Now see, except grey, this violet, green and orange are rainbow colors, but grey is not belongs to rainbow color. Okay. Then next one is earthquake, tsunami, flood, accident. Now see, earthquake, tsunami and flood occurs naturally, but accident made by human being, and therefore accident is odd man out. Then next one is after, now, today, this year. Now see, after is odd man out, because now, today, this year same meaning. Okay. Now today, this year indicate same meaning or present tense. You can say they are in present tense. After is past tense. Then Saturn, Jupiter, Pluto, Uranus. Now in this planet, Pluto is draft planet. Okay, Pluto is draft planet. Therefore Pluto is odd man out. Then next one is Vasant, Varsha, Sharad and autumn. Vasant, Varsha and Sharad are seasons, but autumn is not a season, and therefore autumn is the odd man out. Whale, shale, chill, fail. Okay, except chill, see, all others are rhyming words. Here, whale, double L, double L, double L. But whale, shale, fail. But here it is chill, I is there, and therefore it is odd man out. Then next question is potato, elephant's foot, sweet potato and spinach. Now in this case, spinach is leafy vegetable. This is leafy vegetable. Others are here, potato, elephant's foot and sweet potato are roots. Okay. Then 2016, 2010, 2004, 1992. Now 2010 is not a leap year, but all others are leap years. Which is leap year? If these last two digits are divisible by 4, 16 is divisible by 4, therefore it is leap year. 04 is divisible by 4, therefore it is leap year. And 92 is also divisible by 4, therefore it is also leap year. Then Jeshta, Shravan, Kartik, Chaitra. The month Kartik has 30 days, all other months are 31 days, and therefore Kartik is odd man out. Sukhvinder, Jasvinder, Parminder, Balvinder. Now in this case, here Sukhvinder, see Sukhvinder, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 letters. Okay. So 9 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 letters. Jaswinder here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 letter. Here it is 9 letter. Parminder 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 letters. Balvinder 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 letter. But Sukhvinder has 10 letters, and therefore this is odd man out. Then next one is Sanai, Sarangi, Sanai, Sarot, and sitar. Okay. Sanai is wind instrument. Sanai is a wind instrument. All others string instrument, and therefore Sanai is odd man out. Then next one is Krishna, Bhima, Ganga, Godavari. Now here Krishna, Bhim, Godavari are nouns. Okay. And they are originate in state of Maharashtra. See here Godavari, Nashik. Okay. Bhima, Krishna, Satara. Okay. But Ganga, origin of Ganga is not in Maharashtra. Therefore Ganga river is odd man out. Then camel, cat, deer, eagle. Now eagle is a bird, but these are animals. Okay. Then cave, nest, temple, hole. Okay. Now except temple, cave, nest and hole are places of residence of different animals, but temple is not a place of residence. Okay. Then next one is buttermilk, paneer, butter, cake. Now say except cake, all others are atoms processed from door, bed, window and roof. Now except bed, all others are pairs of house. Now see door, window and roof. These are the parts of house, but bed is not a part of house. May, April, September, November. Except May, all other months have 30 days, but May have 31 days. Okay. Then Independence Day, Republic Day, Gudi Padwa and Gandhi Jayanti. Okay. Now see here, Gudi Padwa is a religious festival, and all others, Gandhi Jayanti, Republic Day and Independence Day are national days. Okay. And therefore your odd man out is Gudi Padwa. Okay. Now next question is Gujarati, Punjabi, Tamil, Malwani. Okay. Now see here, Malwani, this Malwani is dialect. All others are state languages. Dialect is Pradeshik. Okay. And these are state language. Rice, sambar, curry, kadi. Okay. Now see here, rice is odd man out because this sambar, curry and kadi are liquid state and rice in solid state. Okay. Then next, turban, hat, dhoti, cap. Now see, except dhoti, all others are worn on the head. बाकी सब हेड के ऊपर पहनते हैं, धोती हेड के नीचे पहनते हैं. ओके. देन नेक्स्ट वन इज बंच, डजन, फ्लोक, हॉर्ड. नाउ सी हियर, each word dozen. See here, this dozen is odd man out because this bunch, flock and herd are collective nouns. They are collective nouns, but dozen represent collective nouns, but bunch, flock and herd are not nouns. Okay, and therefore second is your answer. Almond, cashew, walnut and pomegranates. Okay. Now pomegranate is a fruit and therefore it is odd man out. The next one is chlorella,
cholera, jaundice, hiccup, malaria.
Now see, hiccup is odd man out because all others are disease. Okay, hence hiccup is odd man out. Then next, cub,
Cub, calf, lamb, Dog. Dog.
Now see, because
The sheep, the babies, and dog is the bigger.
okay. Ring, watch, necklace, rose ring. Now see here, watch is odd man out. Okay, because all others are ornaments. Then next one is chest, heart, lungs, intestine. Now see here, chest is odd man out because heart, lungs and intestine are internal body part. Okay, chest is external body part. Then dancer, erotic, carpenter and mason. Now see, dancer is odd man out because dancer is an artist. Okay, file, pencil, table and notebook. Now see, file, pencil and notebook are related to study, but table is not related to study. Okay, now hammer, saw, file and spoon. Okay, now see, spoon is a kitchenware. All others are tools used by craftsmen. Okay, cucumber, tomato, carrot and gawar. Odd man out is gawar because here cucumber, tomato and carrot are fruit vegetables. Okay, and gawar is only vegetable. It is not a fruit and therefore it is odd man out. Then cycle, tanga, motor car, cycle, tanga, motor car, bullock cart. In motor car we use fuel, petrol or diesel, but in cycle, tanga, bullock cart they doesn't require petrol or diesel. Okay, therefore motor car is odd man out. Then milk, grass, egg and meat. Now in this case grass is a odd man out. Okay, because all other foods are obtained from animal, but grass is a natural food. Okay,
Dal rice, pani puri, burger, pizza. Dal rice is the correct answer.
because all others are fast food items. Okay, the next one is
And it is dal rice is a healthy food.
yes. Then basundi, kheer, shira and misal. Now see, misal is odd man out because all others are sweet foods, but misal is not a sweet food. Okay,
Thank you.